Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this glam makeup tutorial. So this makeup look took me all of 20 minutes to do, and I paired it with this really pretty lip color by Physicians Formula. Isn't it beautiful? But yeah, so as always, all the products will be listed in the description, and before taking off today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. For eye primer, we're going to be using Revlon Color Stay. Looks like that. Just going to be using that with this weird looking little brush. It's kind of like one of those artiste brushes. And I'm just putting some on. I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for. I know it's going to be like something springy, I guess. I just ordered a bunch of Morphe brushes, so I'm waiting for them. I'm so excited. Like eye brushes. So I'm just going to set my eye base with this. This is the Kat Von D Shade Light. I'm just going to take this color right here. I'm just going to set my eyeshadow base. Orange Soda. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to take my kit. This is just a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to apply this in our crease. Bring this one pretty high. Next color we're going to be taking is Burnt Orange from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Burnt Orange with a different, this is a different one. This is from Quo, but it's a goat hair. So in this one I'm just going to apply it more on my outer V. And this one's going a little bit lower, and then when I don't have much product left, and then I bring it in. Crease brush by Prestige, looks like that. And I'm going to be taking this color. This one's caramel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to keep focusing that in my outer V. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy blending brush and just kind of I'm going to take this brush. It's like a goat hair. Looks like that. And I'm going to take this. This is called Blazing by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to take those same colors. I'm taking the caramel one first and just putting it underneath my lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of this black here from the Kat Von D Shade Light with my Dual Fiber blending brush by Real Techniques. This color right here with a flat brush, and put that on the inside of my lid, the inner part. I take that dual fiber brush, but I'm going to use that Blazing, that red color, and I'm going Now we're gonna do liners. This is Physicians Formula Sexy Booster. And then I'm going to be going in with the matching mascara. This is Physicians Formula Sexy Booster. I really like this mascara. Go lay down. Just talking to my chihuahua. Go lay down, Pooksy. Go lay down. So I'm just going to finish my mascara and then I'm going to put my lashes on and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay. For eyebrows, we're going to be using CoverGirl as a brow powder. I know I need to get my eyebrows done, but let's see how well this works. Yeah, I don't really like that. And I'm going to take this Revlon Color Stay Brow Gel in brown. Whoa. Sorry, I thought I was filming, but I just put a black eyeliner on, and then I'm using this Insta Ready by Physicians Formula primer. That's all I missed. So I'm gonna put on this Burt's Bees. This is in Caramel Cloud. Looks like this, that color. I'm kind of going ahead of things, but I'm just gonna put on my Purely Nude lip liner. And we're gonna start. I'm gonna do my lips first and then my cover up. Then I'm using the Healthy Lip by Physicians Formula. I love these. This is in Bear With Me. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using this one. This is Revlon Color Stay Whipped Foundation, and it is in, it's kind of messy, but 150. This little brush and just apply it. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my kabuki brush. This is by Lamora Beauty, flat top. I guess I really shouldn't have done my lips. Kind of like that stuff. We are going to use Fit Me Fair. I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques contour brush. It's stuff I was allergic to before, like I broke out like a really crazy rash. But then I used it a little bit, and it was fine. It's looking a little like cakey, so I'm just going to spray it with a beauty blender with a setting spray and just kind of go over it a bit. I'm just going to take this Marcel powder and I'm just going to set my whole face and my under eyes with it. I'm just going to use this brush. And I'm going to take that bronzing powder by Marcel with my multitask brush by Physicians Formula. Well, it's really warm. Blush, of course, I'm going to take this one, Butter Blush by Physicians Formula. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I love this blush. With my Eco Tools blush brush, or Define brush. Highlight, we're going to take the Physicians Formula bronzing booster, just like this. We're going to take that gold one with Eco Tools fan brush. We're going to take the gold one and the silver one. White one. This is Elizabeth Arden. Doesn't have a number on it. Looks like that anyways. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to spray my face. Insta Ready by Physicians Formula. And I'm going to use a little bit of this. This is the Pearl palette. Bronze Pearl by Physicians Formula. It's really pretty. I'm going to put that on with my Prestige blush contour brush. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!